Hi guys! For today's video, we will be sharing with you our experience hiking Gunung Angsi in Malaysia. So here we are for a briefing with our group, and our trail will begin at Ulu Bendul, and then we will descend via Bukit Trail. So join us!
Yeah, so if anybody, let's say like maybe at checkpoint 2, checkpoint 3, if you get tired, if you are unable to proceed up, you have to come back and rest there. Yeah. So our bus will be waiting at the another entrance. So that's the reason. So we will just share with you, then you just follow up. If you have any questions, you can ask along the way.
So that's our guide Vijay from SG Trek. So we basically joined a group of hikers, and we go together hike Gunung Angsi with the guide of the good guys from SG Trek. So this is us starting our hike at around 7:35 a.m. So based on the information from the guide earlier, the ascent or the climb up to the summit will take around 4 hours, around 7 kilometers distance, and then the descent will take around 2 to 3 hours or around 3 to 4 kilometers distance. So this is the first checkpoint after 20 minutes of walking.
This is the steep right there.
There will be climbing over or under some fallen trees like this on this video. There will also be clambering on roots and river crossing involved. So you have to be prepared on those kinds of things.
Yeah. Kaya mo?
I slid down on this part. See? But it's okay. Life goes on. Whoops! Of course, that was a bit painful on my butt, but I have to continue because that's life. So here we are at checkpoint 2.
nakatawid siya, saka lang siya tuloy.
So here we are at a river crossing, which would probably have to be my most favorite part because it's challenging and fun at the same time.
You go first? I'll go after you. I just need to take her. Yeah, sorry
So it's important to stay calm while crossing the river. And also, like what we're doing here, we are not crowding each other in one station. So once you see that the next station is empty, then you can only go there. You cannot crowd in one station because it might cause like panic or overcrowding. It's also good to observe what the person in front of you is doing so you can copy what he or she is doing right and avoid his mistake.
Yeah. Tapos sa branch ka maghawak dyan sa... Ali. Sige. Yan.
The more challenging part of the hike started in this part, I think, and then I started to feel my toes and legs having cramps. So I was having anxiety by this time because of the cramping. So this is checkpoint 3 and I'm 50% tired. I think it was in this part when I started having cramps already. Like I couldn't walk, I couldn't continue anymore. So I stopped for a while. So it's really important to have your training on schedule before your scheduled hike because no matter how fit you are, if you're not trained for it, if your body is not prepared for it, you'll have a hard time. So training is a must. So in this part, we're just a few steps away to the summit, and it's very rewarding once you reach the summit, no matter how difficult.
Gunung Angsi. Hi, welcome. Evening. Hi, son.
And we're here. This is the summit, and on weekends it's usually crowded. Summit of Gunung Angsi is 825 meters above sea level.
So going down, it has to be quite slow. It's quite slippery. Need to hold onto the rope.
So we start our descent at around 12:30 p.m. and it's around, to estimate, around 2 to 3 hours, 3 to 4 kilometers.
Okay, I think we're close. It's only the stairs. Oh, punta ka dun. Gunung Angsi, hi, say hi.
I was tired by this time,
Yep.
but I made it and we're down.
Okay.
So here is our hiking activity tracked by Garmin. So you can see the distance here. And that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.